Discover the Bistro, the versatile and compact wood-burning cook stove that provides autonomy and gastronomy in one appliance. Equipped with an oven and a cooking surface, the Bistro is ideal for reheating, cooking, and simmering your favorite meals. Designed specifically for easy use, the Bistro is equipped with an air damper that allows you to regulate combustion and adjust the cooking temperature. The large stainless steel oven is perfect for your stews or simply use as a warmer. It is located above the combustion chamber to obtain a uniform internal temperature and to simplify the handling of dishes. Practical, the oven is equipped with a rack that can be positioned at 2 different levels. Ideal for boiling water or searing a piece of meat, the robust cast iron cooking surface stores and diffuses the heat produced by the appliance. At a height of 39 inches, slightly higher than a standard kitchen counter, the top of the appliance allows you to cook comfortably. Cooking with a wood-burning appliance is an art that is learned and mastered over time. The key to successful cooking lies in the balance between the wood load, the air supply, and the burn time. The quantity and the size of the logs influence the heat produced for cooking. At equal weight, a large piece of wood will take longer to release its heat than several small pieces. Thus, to obtain a gradual cooking temperature over a longer period, for example, for a stew, the use of large logs is ideal. Conversely, to obtain a rapid and intense cooking temperature, for example, to preheat the appliance for searing meat, using several small logs will be more effective. The air damper, located under the combustion chamber, allows to adjust the intensity of the fire. The more the damper is open, the more intense the heat, allowing higher cooking temperatures to be reached in less time. This is ideal for boiling water or preheating the oven to bake bread. The more the damper is closed, the more the heat is constant, which makes it possible to maintain the cooking temperature over a long period. This is ideal for reheating prepared meals. An intense fire will consume wood fast, so it needs to be checked often to keep temperatures even. The best way to take full advantage of the Bistro is to experiment on your own. It will quickly become your best friend for cooking. Designed for true wood heating enthusiasts, Drolet, a higher heating value since 1960.